Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zen Detox app. First, download the app from your preferred app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it up and either create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which is designed for easy navigation and quick access to all its powerful features. Now, let's customize your detox journey. The Zen Detox app offers several pre-designed programs, or you can craft a completely custom plan tailored to your needs. You'll set your personal goals, perhaps aiming for a 7-day digital detox or a 30-day social media break. Don't forget to configure helpful notifications and gentle reminders to ensure you stay consistent and achieve your desired outcomes. The Zen Detox app is packed with features to support your journey. You can track your progress with detailed statistics, seeing your screen time reductions or mindfulness streaks visually represented. Dive into the library of guided meditations and mindfulness exercises, perfect for moments of calm. Plus, connect with a supportive community forum, sharing tips and encouragement with fellow users on their own detox paths. To maximize your experience, remember to adjust your detox settings as your needs change. The app is flexible, allowing you to modify your plan at any time. Make use of the integrated journaling feature to reflect on your daily experiences and insights. Regularly review your progress, perhaps weekly or bi-weekly, and celebrate those important milestones, big or small, to maintain motivation and reinforce positive habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.